Britt, today I'm excited. We've got Derby Woods, a beloved neighborhood here.
Absolutely, and I love the backyard in that house.
Yes, this is going to be great. I can't wait to show you.
Wow, check out this spacious family kitchen. Love the center island.
And this is great space right off the kitchen. Think playroom or think office.
And the open concept and LVP flooring continues into the living space. Plenty of room for the family.
We have a massive ensuite with a fireplace. This beautiful ensuite, 2 sinks, the tub and shower, it's perfect.
Loving this backyard, a patio space, and it's fenced in, room for the kids and your furry creatures.
Hey, and don't forget an awesome screen porch. So for more information, look at the description below. I've got the listing link and all the details there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like these.